This is me doing Shannon's makeup blindfolded. This is what we got to work with. A variety of stuff that we don't know how to use. In case you don't know me and Shannon, we don't wear makeup.
Okay.
This is me natural.
Okay. Ready for this?
Here, what are we doing?
Yeah. Should we have started off with you blindfolded? Maybe. That would be stuff.
It's not.
I think I just popped a knuckle.
Okay.
There.
I cannot see whatsoever. I can't
My
even open
fingers
my eyes.
I don't know.
Okay. Let's start off with some foundation. I don't know how to put foundation on.
Don't get it in my hair.
Is it coming up?
I don't know. Is it? Is it coming out? Let me show the camera what you have done.
Okay, let me do it.
I don't even think there's any on me.
Oh.
I don't think there's any left.
This is a bad start. Oh. Oh.
Smells like chalk.
So, because Shannon is a darker color than this, we're gonna have to find some.
Okay, can I show the camera? Hey.
We're gonna have to make it darker with this brush. Hope this is it. Some powder mineral. Where's the camera? No. Oh.
I feel like a zombie. You just you got it in my hair.
All over the face, just to blend it in. The cheekbone.
Stop getting it in my hair.
I'm not trying to.
No, that's my hair.
Shut up. Okay. Now that she's all pretty, like her face is even and stuff, we're gonna start with some eyeshadow. I'm gonna pick a random brush. This one. And a color. No, you know what? I like this. Okay, now we're going with this and whatever this color is.
I gotta feel for the eyes.
Start with this color. Eyelid. Shades on both eyes. And take the other color
Not even.
and put it on the edge and then in the crease on both sides. The edge and in the crease. Okay. Now we're gonna we'll use this. Take a brush. Dip it in.
Dipped it in.
And apply. Not working.
Okay.
I just remembered I have to fill in her eyebrows. I've never done this before.
I look like a skeleton.
Is this an eyebrow filler?
I don't know.
It is now. Where's your eyebrows? I don't know why people fill their eyebrows. Like you sugar it and fill it. And then your other eyebrow. And you smudge it in. Okay. Now we're gonna go with this. Let me pick this. Oh god. What is this?
Mascara.
It's mascara? I can't do mascara right
Oh
now.
my god, you're gonna kill me.
We're not doing mascara yet. This.
What is that?
We'll see.
Is it pink?
No. We'll do this instead.
Do you know what that is?
Yep.
Oh god.
Hi. This is what we're using now.
I thought that was eyeliner.
It's eyeshadow.
You can't even at all.
That's your eye, I hope. Okay. Now, we're
Hey,
just
this is like the new style. Everyone's gonna want this.
a little bit of eyeliner. Eyeliner.
Oh my god. Jesus, help me.
Make sure to do it on both sides, else it looks retarded.
I didn't even do anything in that.
What?
I
Let me put it back. What is this? It was the wrong side.
I think you did that.
I did it with
I
this.
didn't.
Hey, look at me. Let me give you some wings. Put it back in. Okay. And then some nice, finish it off with some nice mascara. Yep. Okay. And I think that's done. There's Shannon.
Do you want to see what I look like? Let's see your reaction. So this is the finished product. I look like Lady Gaga. I think she's gonna like take this style from me. Look, cake face. Look at these lips.